I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I've had my sponsors send me some stuff. Oh my god. And at the end, you guys, don't forget, I'll give you a code for 15% off. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is amazing. Seriously, the wrapping paper is fantastic. I love it. Oh my god, it smells rich. Wow, I've never seen this in my life. Look, it's amazing. Did my reaction look okay? Mom, thank you so much. Don't forget, 15% off, code Brittany Valdez. Oh, look at my mother at Barney's. You didn't. Flatter me. Nordstrom, oh, stop it. Oh my god, look at those pearls. Wow, they're amazing. So my parents went to the Pacific Ocean and they got these for me. And you see, it's like an oyster and then they produce pearls. And I think in the Mormon faith, they believe in pearls, or like the Book of Pearls. Next gift. Mom, I don't drink. She's trying to make me become an alcoholic. Oh, wait, no. She's still Christian, guys. It's a tree. Oh, I have to use a different tripod because this is one of the gifts. This. Sponsors. Sponsor, are you interrupting me? As a rich YouTuber, I need it. Assistant, can you order that? Dad, can you order it? Seriously, like, could you make it a little bit harder to unwrap? I'm back. I'm so grateful. I'm so humbled. I have two amazing sponsors that like will do anything for me. And like, I know people don't have sponsors like I do, but it's just, I'm so blessed. Hashtag blessed. So like, there's poor kids in Ethiopia who don't have what I have. And like, I'm so lucky because I get stuff all the time, like sent to me, and it's free. I don't have to pay for it. Like, I mean, wow. This is the crown of thorns. Oh my God, bless. Thank you, Jesus. Like, see what he does. Wait, what was that, you guys? You wanted me to put it on for you? Oh, okay. My parents got this especially for me because I'm their princess. So it came in this nice white box. Remember, I'm trying to be sustainable, so you want to make sure it's recyclable, okay? Save the earth, save the planet, save the seal, save the whale, save it all. Oh my God, what is it? Oh, love it! It's a picture of me! How cute is that? Wow! And someone else, but it's me! Oh my God, who texted me? It's my agent. Stop, I'm on vacation. You're not even gonna believe this. It's amazing. I once was blind, but now I see.